Testing, one, two, three. Where did my picture go? Alright, guess it doesn't matter. It's working. I had some crash out on OBS this morning. Testing, testing. Testing, testing. Alright, looks like I'm up. I don't know, video capture. Video capture. Alright, well, I'll just go without a face today. What's this thing? Where did that go? Alright, well. Alright. Fuck. Alright, well, we got it. I'll figure that out during the week. All right, so like I was saying, we got Philly here, a little move up. So we got some action there. I think I was discussing just the charts and all right. I don't know. Going through some technical difficulties. I don't know this shit. I gotta ask my brother or my son uh, what's going on here. Um, anyway, looks like we're live though. All right, so we're gonna go through all these games here. I was kind of showing you guys different sizing that you can do, and we're just gonna click through these games and see if there's anything going on. We're only in the third inning here on a lot of these games. Let's see if we see anything developing, and I'll just start drawing some possible patterns. So what do we got here? This looks like ABC. Pittsburgh is a good team. Where's Pittsburgh ranked? Oh yeah, this might be something setting up here. Pittsburgh's 14th overall, which is in the top half, but they're number three in OPS. So they do hit a lot. One, two, three, four, five. I actually think Pittsburgh here looks good. Like it might be setting up for a bounce into one of those Fibonacci's. We don't have our MACD set up yet because it needs a couple of innings to get some data. But here, let me just show you what I'm looking at here in this. This would be wave one. That doesn't look as good. Wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, and maybe that's A. Okay. So let's see who's up for Pittsburgh next. Because after A, we should get a B wave bounce up to like here. Okay. So that's what I'm playing for. Let's just see. Yeah, we got Sterling, our agent, down here 3 minutes ago saying watch Pitt. So the setup is there. We have a little bit of a positive divergence here. I'm flying blind on the MACD right now because again, I need a couple of innings to get that going. Pittsburgh has 7, 8, 9 up. That's not bad, but might be next inning that they score. So let's go over to ESPN and we'll put up Pittsburgh. There's 2 men on for Cincinnati. 2 outs. But this looks complete to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. Actually, if Cincinnati scores, I'm gonna bet. I'm gonna bet on Pittsburgh here. Let's do this. I'll set it up online too, so you guys can see me making the trades. Pittsburgh looks good. Oh, and they're up now, getting plus 340. Wow, that's worth. I'm gonna do just $10 because they're saying that's a long shot, but according to the chart, this looks very, very good. Now, what might happen is we need one more inning. So these guys go down 7, 8, 9, go down 1, 2, 3, and then we got the top of the order. The odds are gonna flip to like, I don't know, plus 200 maybe on Pitt, plus 220. But we'll do it again and I'll do it even heavier. But we're getting a little bit of a lift there. So you see that? It's starting to bounce a little bit. So that's what should happen. We should see a spike up. So let's see if we get that. We'll come back to Pittsburgh. White Sox and Tampa Bay. Let's see what this is. A, B. So on this one, I would think the White Sox could go a little further. Tampa Bay has not been playing as great. What are they? I know they're fourth overall, 10th OPS. What's their win streak? One? All right. Anyway, so this I like betting on the better teams, of course, because your odds are better that they're going to actually do something. I look for top 10 teams, maybe top half team, but something with the high OPS. But here on this one, we can look at this, and maybe this was A, and maybe this was B, and maybe this will be C, and then we should get a pullback. Let me look at the Fibonacci's here. Let's see how much this pulled back. If it pulled back only 23 to 38, yeah. See how it only pulled back? B wave usually pulls back to the 23%, 38%, so that's all it did right here. So actually, it looks like we're going to see the White Sox score again, or something's going to happen for them. Let me just thin this up so we can get, there we go. So if we get this up here, and it's got RSI divergences like that, MACD is showing up, not yet. White Sox have the number 2 guy up right now. Let's go see what's going on with the White Sox. Here we go. 2 outs, nobody on. I'm going to give that a little time, but that looks pretty good. Cincinnati, okay. A, B, C. Maybe the Mets are going to score here. Looks like the Mets need to come down. Hmm. Looks like a B and a C. Arizona might be setting up here too for a run. Starting to get the and they got the 1, 2, 3 coming up. You know, maybe this is A, B, C. And then what should happen next on this one is we should get a move up. So we'll just draw these charts and just kind of see how they develop. Oh, good. The Yankees are starting with the Cubs. That's a good one. Come back to that. Lots of games on right here. Philly, Baltimore, Atlanta finally scored. Washington is not doing as well. Yeah, 18th, but they have a very high, they get on base a lot, OPS. Or it's on base percentage plus slugging, I think, is what the OPS is. So it's a good stat to kind of use both these teams. So this might be a good game to watch. And it's starting to set up A, B. One more move down, and maybe we can see Washington. let's see, B, like this. A, B, and we need another move down here. And then it might set up if we have positive divergences. So this is kind of what I do. And look at it, saves everything, right? So St. Louis, and forget this game. I hate these two teams. Yeah, get that one. Got Pitt still. What's Pittsburgh doing? 2 outs already. Yeah, like I said, that was why I was plus 340. 2 outs. Next inning for Pittsburgh. It looks really good here. And they suck. Cincinnati sucks. Pittsburgh's falling back, but again, their OPS is 3, so they have stuff happen. So we get to the yeah, it's over. I'll be looking to take Pitt, but I'm going to take Pitt heavy. Cleveland did it. There we go. There was the C down. Perfect. I really like Arizona here for some type of move up. White Sox still kind of see here. Tampa Bay, it could be a double top. Tampa Bay could score there. But I'm going to just wait. I don't see any perfect setups just yet. Here we go. This could be moving up already. Did we get the 5th down? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm looking for one more move before I take Washington, but this looks ABC-ish. It could have been this. If not, then this could be 4, and we still need the 5th down. So let's leave that there. Baltimore, I don't like betting on. Pittsburgh, let's see here. Pittsburgh's going to have 1, 2, 3. So I'm definitely going to take Pittsburgh. Yeah, I went to 255, but that's pretty good. Let's see here. Then you got the top of the order up. Positive MACD, 5 waves down. I like it. Let's see if they could do something. Coming back here, Baltimore, nothing going on. Washington, we don't know if this is a little bounce. Let's see if we draw some trend lines too. Let's see if we get something like this. See? One more move down into the wedge, or does it break out? See? So we'll see here. I don't know if it's going to go 4 and then one more time down here, and that would be a good opportunity. Take Washington. Or was this it? Did we do it already? A, B, C, and it's going to break out of this. That's what I see so far. What do we have here? Yeah, we don't have a positive divergence yet. We'll get it. Look, it's trying. Let's see. I don't even have to watch the game, but here we would like to see this make that positive divergence. Meaning when if this line comes down again towards Atlanta, like they get a couple men on base, maybe even score a run next inning, they could. If this doesn't break out, then Atlanta's going to do something. But even if they just got man on base, it would come into here, the game signal, and then it could bust out. And if it came to a lower low, you would have that positive divergence right there. MACD's getting pretty oversold. We'll come back to this one, and we'll see. Nothing here, nothing here. This is leaking a little bit. I don't know why my camera's not on. Very annoying. I had this all set up. Video capture. I don't know. Video capture device. Ugh. I had this all working perfectly. I don't know what I did to get rid of that screen, but all right. It sucks not seeing a person. What are you gonna do? All right. All right. I'm not gonna. I'll figure that out during the week. Oh, Washington's breaking out a little bit here. There we go. So looks like Washington's gonna score. Oh, what's happening here? Yeah, they got two men on. Shit. Damn it. All right. That was it. So I had it right. It was ABC. It's gonna break out towards Washington. So missed that trade. Should have took Washington. We'll see how it develops. This is still looking good. Pittsburgh. I think they have some men on base. Cincinnati right now. Oh, two men on? Man, this pitcher sucks. Keller? Damn. Well, hopefully they hit a little bit. Well, this looks pretty strong. ABC, maybe Miami. They have something setting up. No outs. Oh, they got 3, 4, 5. Yeah, Marlins look pretty good here. You can see the same pattern. A, B, C. And now it's going to go up. Let's see if they score this inning. Arizona. Oversold. Arizona's 1, 2, 3 up. This looks good. Arizona. So Arizona should retrace a little bit here, at least. So let's see. This would be go like that, that. So let's see if we get a little move up. Arizona can score. Oh, there it is. There's the C up we were looking for on this one. Perfect. That's exactly what I said would happen, right? Now we got that. Do we have a divergence here? Let's see. Yeah, slight one. Slight divergence there. MACD. Tampa Bay has 2, 3, 4. I think that's kind of looks pretty good to me. Tampa Bay to score in the next inning. I mean, they're a very good team. So this did exactly what I said it was going to do. Now maybe it needs like one more little high, but I think the White Sox, they only have one out man on first, so they could score one more run. But this looks like almost perfect here. I guess RSI, maybe it did hit a new high. We might need one more inning there for this to come down and up a little and this to make a divergence. But it did do what we thought, so now it should turn down. And again, we might need one more little move up. So if the Sox could hit one more, um, keep an eye on that. Nothing going on for the Yankees. Texas, yeah, nothing going on. Arizona, we'll see on Miami. This looks like maybe AB and some kind of pump from Marlins. This is played out perfectly. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. And they have who do they have up? 1, 2, 3. And we have a positive divergence now. Let's see about Pittsburgh. St. Louis. Oh. I'm just gonna keep. This is what I do, okay, folks. It just, and if you're a technical trader, you just start to see these things. You can, like I said, oh, look at this. Wow, Washington's gonna score again. Where's the Washington? Oh, bases loaded. Yep. Look at how strong this is. There it goes. Boom. They just scored. Probably. Damn, that was a good one. Look how picture perfect this is, folks. A, B, C, breakout. And look at even the test. You see that? Wait, not there. Right there. You see that? So it broke out, it tested the wedge and took off, just like it does in the stock market. Exactly. Keep an eye on this wedge, even though those two teams are risky to bet on. Cincinnati's getting has bases loaded, I think. Bases loaded, no outs. And they're gonna keep this pitcher in. I don't know what the managers are doing. Like, what was that for? L.A. L.A. They kept that guy in the entire game, and they got destroyed by Boston at the end. I don't understand why they did that. I think managers are a little too slow. So this is gonna open up. This is gonna go even lower. We'll see. Still doesn't mean Pitt can't score next inning. Actually sets the chart up better. So maybe it was even 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe this was 3, 4, and now we're getting the fifth down. Wow, Washington breaking out. Does Washington have anybody on? What are they doing? Oh yeah, bases loaded, one out. It's gonna take off. See about that wedge. This is gonna tank. Arizona, not doing anything. Uh, Maybe this. We'll just have to see. Really maxed out. Oh, Tampa Bay has 2, 3, 4 up. They up to bat. Just changed. All right, the Rays are up now. Let's see if this comes in and goes up one more time towards White Sox, or was this ABC enough and it rolls over? We're really maxed out on the RSI. We had a trade for who was Boston when LA went ahead on Friday night, and it was the opposite. The RSI was all the way at the floor, and they had a bounce for sure, a really big bounce. Let's see what happens here. Arizona's lame. Yeah, they didn't do anything. Still looks like Marlins to me. Oh, there it goes. There was the 2-1 for Atlanta. There'll be a trade for Atlanta now because within this we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's probably 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So we're gonna have a couple more squiggles, I think. And then Atlanta might be a nice setup because we'll have a negative divergence on the RSI. Atlanta has 3, 4, 5 up next inning. Is this on a rain delay? What's going on with Pittsburgh? I mean, Philly. Yeah, rain delay. Okay, cool. All right, this one we're expecting a little more up, and Atlanta might set up for a nice trade. Let's see what happens here with this one. Cincinnati there, they got their runs. Now let's see if the positive divergences are still there. Yep, good. Arizona. After this, I just we'll see what Cleveland does here with Arizona. We'll have to wait for some chart time. Where is Arizona? Oh, I'm on Arizona. Okay, here we go. No outs. All right, let's see if they can get out of this inning. Who does Arizona have up though? 4, 5, 6. Tampa Bay. What are they up to? 3 balls, 1 strike. Or you could say this is A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more move up. Maybe it goes up to here. But Tampa Bay looks like they're going to score. I don't know if they're going to get shut out. I don't think so. What's going on with the Yankees? Nothing. Again, Texas is moving up a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we gotta wait. Are they out of this yet? Nope. 1 out. Man on second and third. Maybe we're starting to get a little wedgy there, but I'm gonna let this go. They're gonna probably score again, I would think. I don't know how they get out of this. They would have to get a strikeout. Uh-oh. Full count. Oh, he struck out. Exactly what I said. Now we got 2 outs. All right, if they get out of this, I really like Pittsburgh. So if you're out there watching right now, I think it's worth a try here. Pittsburgh. So I think we even have kind of a little mini wedge. Like that. See, if we zoom in. Let's see if they get out of this inning. Oh no, another base hit. Oh wow, they scored 2. Oof. See, this is what I'm talking about. Why would you keep that pitcher in? 7-0 in the third inning? Oh my God. I know it's unheard of to take the pitcher out in the first or second inning, but I mean, give me a break. I mean, this is really bad. Now we lost the positive divergence. We'll see. Bad managers, dude, I think. All right, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I gotta give this a little more time for Atlanta. I don't think yet. Could be that it's done already, meaning this was A, B, C, and it's gonna roll right back over again, but that looks like a pretty strong breakout. So if anything, Washington might score another one or this is, I don't see. Terrible. Arizona up the bat yet? Yeah. 4, 5, 6. Arizona maybe. What happened to Tampa Bay? Oh, maybe they're doing something. It's Tampa Bay. Oh, here. Man on first and second. 1 out. So remember I had the C up here. We were waiting for that, and we got it, and thought that was a good one. Texas is doing something. Strengthening up. Arizona, they're due. This is the chart says they should bounce on Arizona. Oh, Atlanta's tied it up. Damn it. Just like I thought there. This could have, that was the full ABC. All right, let me take all these lines off now and kind of look at that shit. Yeah, now I'm not sure. ABC. Atlanta might pile them on. What else we got going on? It's a home run. Tampa Bay. It's breaking down, but it doesn't mean they're going to score. Tampa Bay's got bases loaded, one out. So the game signal's moving down like it should, but bases what they got one out, right? Bases yeah, one out. They could get a double play and it's over. And all this was one, two, three, four, and then the White Sox are going to do something. So let's see how that plays out. Atlanta. Now, what happens sometimes with the game signal, so Pittsburgh needs to show some kind of life, like right now, or they threaten just flatlining, and then it's not a tradable game. So this to me is like the last chance. It's five waves down, one, two, three, four, five, four, five. It's time for them to bounce and rally. But obviously they keep this pitcher in at 7-0. It seems ridiculous to me, but I don't know. Oh, and here's that Miami. Miami looks like it's setting up. Who do they have coming to bat? 6, 7, 8. Hmm. Anything could happen. But this is so we have this. Here, let me show you. So this would be A, and then here, like this. Okay. So Miami looks like they could score. D-backs, they're a tough one to bet on. Tampa Bay's got a good setup, but who knows? Double play and it's cooked. This is going to be a good game to play. I told you because there's hitting. That OPS number is important. So, looking, there's got to be something here. Pissed I missed that wedge breakout. That was a good one. All right, let's see what we got going here. Like a little bit more excitement. That would be nice. If you guys want to flip, I get some comments here about flipping. So if you guys go up here, if you guys want to change the technical indicators, it's this one right here. And then you can go in here to attributes and see I can flip the chart, pit away to here. And then if we go like this, watch what happens. See? The game flips. This looks even more like it's going to go to Pittsburgh. Um, I like doing it the other way. You guys can do it however you want to do it, but you go in here to attributes and you flip it depending on what you want to see. We also have like the tooltips. Oh, I'm on an auto refresh of only 10 seconds. Good. I got good. I'm glad I'm fixing some of this stuff. You guys can do Kelce odds, FanDuel, or DraftKings if you want to see what those charts look like, or use the momentum. We got tooltips here. I think if you hover, yeah, if you hover, it tells you what happened for the inning. So you can do all that. I just find it's messy. So I'm going to take that off. But this is where you find all the overlays. Here's the momentum, money line, max min, moving averages, the Bollinger Band. We have a divergence tool. So those divergences I try to find. You can just have it automatically do that. And then, of course, we have RSI, MACD, stochastics, all the different things in here. So that's right up in here where you can change, you can reorder them, you can change the colors, you can make your charts however you want. Well, Tampa Bay didn't score. I told you. What'd they get? It was probably a double play, right? Oh, let's see. What happened here? Uh, Pitching. Yep. All right. Oh, there's that next move up. What the heck? What did that do? That's weird. Oh, there we go. All right. So now one, two, three, four, five up. Nothing here. Nothing here. Pittsburgh has a man on second, one out. Tampa Bay, lame, lame, lame on Tampa Bay. Damn, you guys. Top team can't get a run scored in. Let's see how this game's playing. It's looking a little heavy for the Yankees, but got it. We need a little more chart time with the Yankee game. This just looks kind of like it wants to go towards the Cubs, but I can't tell that. Now this looks like it's heavy towards Houston, Tampa Bay. What is it? A, B, A, B, C. I don't know. It looks like and then it would be that. And right to the 50%. Maybe they go up to here or here. All right, let's see here. Looks like we need a little bit more poppage on the White Sox. What are the White Sox doing now? Two outs. Oh, did they just score again? Is it three? No. Okay. Two outs. Take all this off. Sometimes I like to just set up a clean chart. Here we got Sterling say watch Arizona. I don't know. I don't see anything here for me. Nothing yet. I don't know. Maybe. Oh, Miami did score. So you guys see? I told you they were gonna have a pop. They scored just now. There was the C up. That was a good call. That's exactly the projection, and it worked. Now it's broken above this high here for the game, meaning it hit a new momentum high for the game. So let's see if it can hold above that. Or was that it? See, it just popped its head out above there. A, B, one, two, three, four. Maybe one more move up. And then maybe the Mets. But Mets are tough too. But you can see we're starting to form a negative divergence right here. See? And the signal line went higher. That's called a divergence. I don't have anything on the MACD. Oh, Pitt scored. All right. Didn't show up much on the game signal, but Pittsburgh scored. I told you that was a good one. So you're seeing some action here. All right, what do we got? Tampa Bay. All right, still kind of waiting on this. Oh, the Yankees just ripped. Of course. What I say, don't bet against the Yankees. So there you go. All right, we'll just see though that there's nothing there. It's actionable to me. Washington. Oh, Atlanta's doing something. What's up with Atlanta right now? 2 outs. Oh, Washington's 2 outs. Atlanta has 7, 8, 9 up. This looks heavy. Yeah, maybe Atlanta here. What are they? Atlanta's gonna give you what, 185 or something? Oh, 235? The game signal's doing something weird. Let me record this. What's going on here, Neil? We're seeing this weird thing. What is that right there? And then if I refresh, it goes away. It's like printing something else on top of it. See it? It's a little tech glitch. Something's going on over there. All right, let's see. It's happening here too. It's happening here. Happening here also. Just reaching out to my brother here. This is weird what's happening here. Just recording this stuff. You look at, there's like a second line in there. And then when I refresh, it goes away and then comes back. You see that? There it is. There it goes away. Hmm. Maybe because I'm on auto refresh? Maybe I'm on auto. Let me go to 5 seconds. All right, maybe that took care of it. The auto refresh was the deal. All right. Let's get back into the action. So Pittsburgh scored one. Could they score any more? Oh, there's one out. And they have another man. They have men on. Oh, okay, good for them. Maybe they get a couple runs. Tampa Bay. Okay, good. This is setting up, guys. I just want to see one more. Let's see where Tampa Bay is right now. Are they up next? Oh, they're up. Hmm. What do they have up? 8-9-1. I don't know. Tampa Bay looks kind of good to me. I don't want to give up on them. They're a really good team. So far we got the one. The only bet I made was Pittsburgh so far. We got that one. I don't make all the bets. I'm gonna try Tampa Bay. Oh, they got two outs. Forget it. Oh wait. This is perfect. I think it's gonna be the next inning for Tampa Bay. So if Tampa Bay gets out here again, the line will creep a little bit higher, and then I have my full five up, and then I'm gonna take Tampa Bay. Oh, it's in a little channel there. You see that? Hey, that implies it's gonna go up here. All right, keep an eye on here. But you see, this is good. We got it here. We got it here. Washington. Maybe this was A, B. Washington scores. No divergences. I don't see much there. Just tell my brother. That solved the problem, it looks like. Taking it off auto refresh. We're still beta here, guys, so you're joining us very new. Now, the site's definitely workable, and so we're doing some testing right now. Hmm. Arizona looks a little interesting here. Holding the 78. Who does Washington have up next? 6-7-8. Still on rain delay. Arizona looks bounceable here. ABC. Positive divergence. Ever so slight, but it's there. Positive divergence. Positive divergence. 7-8-9. What's going on with this pit? Why is pit like paused? Maybe they changed the pitcher? Tampa Bay. Oh yeah, Houston. I said it was looking a little heavy. There they go. A, B, C. I don't see anything super exciting. Yeah, this looks like Washington. Washington, what are they doing right now? Atlanta's got One out, man on second. Ah, didn't do that quick enough. Oh, it was an error. Atlanta scored. This is rolling over. I gotta plug in my. I can do it up here now since you don't have to see me. What's this mess over here? All right. Testing, testing, testing. Okay, go. All right. No, why am I recording? I don't want to record. Okay. No, one out. There goes Atlanta. This might come back to the Mets. Any Mets fans out there? You're a Mets fan. All right, we got Mets here. All right, let's get back into this. I don't know what's going on with this Pittsburgh game. What's going on? How have they been stuck here for this long? Seems strange. Ah, starting to flatline on Tampa Bay. Not great. Maybe the high is in. Got that negative divergence there, negative divergence here. Who's up for Tampa Bay? 2, 3, 4. Hmm. 2 outs, man on second. It's Tampa Bay. looks interesting with this negative divergence. Let's see. Atlanta. Uh-oh, what's happening here? Let's see here. There we go. That's actionable. Let's see if it develops. I'll give it that a little more time. Let's see if we have a positive divergence. So we'll see if this wedge develops. Oh yeah, nice. Look at this. Nice positive divergence right here. As we came into the wedge here. Washington has 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna just see if we see Washington come up a little, Atlanta come down a little, and then we could see a powerful move for Washington. So nothing to do there. Just see if that sets up. That's rain delay. I hate these two teams. Arizona is doing really well for the year, but are they up right now? I might take them. I'm gonna put some love on Arizona. Just because they're at the bottom of that channel. Oh, they have one man on too. Yep. One man on, no outs for Arizona. I got 165 plus 165, not bad. And all I'm doing, maybe even here, we got a little wedge, maybe. Oh yeah, oh yeah, not bad, not bad. Oh, well, no positive diversions, but this happened in the Boston game on Friday night. It was at 0, and then they had that massive rally at the end of the game. I think they had like 4-run inning or something like that. So you want to divergences are super important for you guys to learn divergences on the indicators. That is definitely key. But also when you get maxed, I call this maxed reading, like a maxed oversold. That's max oversold. So we're getting a little bounce up because Arizona has someone on base right now. Um, I don't know. See how it plays out. Let me just thin up these lines a little bit. But I like this. It kind of looks like a little bit of a falling wedge. Let's see if Arizona can bust out of this thing here. Like that. Okay? So we got the we got the wedge maxed on the RSI and positive divergences. And they had 7, 8, 9. They got their 7 guys, so they're 8, 9 right now. So hopefully one of their other guys can do something. I didn't realize Arizona is in 8th place now overall. That's pretty awesome. Taking this off because maybe we're gonna see another wedge here. Ooh, ooh, this looks pretty good. We got divergence. We got divergence. Let's see if Miami busts. Oh, look at this. It's rolling over. I think the Mets might score. Any Mets fans out there? Mets. Oh, the Mets are up right now. Are they up right now? Where are the Mets? Where's the Mets game? Oh, here it is. All right, Miami's up. Perfect. I like Mets maybe for next inning. So let's see if this comes up. I'm going to take the Mets. This Pittsburgh game, I don't know what's happening there. It must be on a rain delay. There's something weird with the Pittsburgh game. What is happening over there? Can someone let me know? What is happening? It doesn't say rain delay, and it's been stuck with 1 out, man on first. Remember we made this bet and we won it? What about my what's the other one we want? Tampa Bay. What are these guys doing? These jokers. Let's see. Tampa Bay. They got 2 outs, the White Sox. Arizona, man on second, 1 out. Tampa Bay hasn't been up yet. Oh, wow. White Sox cranked. Okay, that's good. We want that. Oh, what happened there? Oh, they did score some runs? Oh, good. Perfect. So here, let's update this. And there. Now we pretty much have it. There it is. That's what I wanted. There is that last piece. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so now we're at the top of the rail of that up channel there. Um, Tampa Bay is an amazing team. Okay, so you're betting on a good team, and we kind of have this tightening up here. So let's see. Tampa Bay looks pretty good to me. And who do they have up? 2, 3, 4. Okay, massive negative divergences here. So A, B. It could have been this was A, B, C. Yeah, I might fix that. So within that bigger A, you're gonna have the little a, little b, little c. So we'll do that. I'll do it in red. So this would have been A up. This would have been the B. And then we just did the C for A. Okay? Let's see about that. Pittsburgh, like I said, I don't know what the hell is happening there. Ooh, Texas is pretty good, right? Or no? Where are they ranked? 17? Mediocre. But seeing a little bit of tightness here, Foreman. Again. Let's see how that develops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, Cubbies. Cubbies might be due for something. Got a little bit of negative divergence. Who's up for the Cubs? 2, 3, 4. Hmm. Hmm. It would be this. Let's put it in white. One. I can't see that. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. It could be this. This could have been 3, and then this is 4, and Yankees gonna do one more. That would be that. Or we have 3 over here. 4 color switched. And then this was the high. I think the Cubs are setting up. I don't know if it's this inning or next inning, but it looks like the Cubs are setting up. Put it in blue. Let's keep an eye on that. Because both these teams are awesome too. So, look at their rankings. Yeah, what's going on here? Stop. So we got fifth and sixth place team, OPS 4 and 15. Oh, the Yankees really fell off on their OPS. But the Cubs are smoking. Oh, I like the Cubs. Arizona couldn't score. Man. 2 outs. Man on second. Carroll struck out, struck out. 3-2. What about Tampa Bay? Tampa Bay. Huh. Come on, D-backs. Oh, man. Gotta go further into the wedge. They'll set up a better divergence and they'll have a better part of their batting order up. If what's Carroll doing? Oh, it was behind. Flied out, flied out. He's due for a hit. Arizona went on a rain delay. Ah. A lot of rain going on. And what about Pittsburgh? Look at this, folks. What's going on with Pittsburgh? Someone let me know. What happens if you have a bet on a team and there's rain delay? What does that mean? And then the game doesn't start again. Arizona's man on first and third, 2 outs. So I don't know. Well, it looks like it wants to break out. So I like that. And then let's get back to this Tampa Bay. Tampa Bay, 2 outs again. Man on first. God damn these guys. This looks, I'm going to redraw this because I'm going big next inning if these guys can't score again. This says they should score right now. Tampa Bay. What are they doing? 2 outs, man on first. Their number one, two, their number 4 guy is up. What did he do? Home run? Ah, fly out deep to the track. Damn it. Oh no, that was the last out. Oh, this thing's catching up. Okay, Simpson, 1-1. I mean, this looks like it should roll over like right now for Tampa Bay. If it doesn't happen here. We got the maxed oversold. And then I'm going to probably get off of this, enjoy some time for Sunday, decompress. But look at, we got the max RSI. We got a rising wedge. We have a negative divergence on the MACD, negative divergence on the histogram. Tampa Bay had a good part of the batting order, but I don't know if they're going to do it. 2 outs, man on first and second. I mean, it feels like a home run even could happen right now based on the chart. Oh, Mets. We wanted to look at that. Nah, didn't. I don't like betting on the Mets anyway. Uh, maybe. Still kind of wedgy for the Mets. Signal line's going to turn down. Here's the Mets, right? That's how it works. Pittsburgh, I guess, is on rain delay. Tampa Bay still looks really good. Oh, the Cubs, we said. Oh, the Cubs are going to score. Fuck. Told you guys that. Damn it. I knew I should have put some on them. Sometimes with this bet that we do for next run, you got it maybe when things are close. What do you got? No outs, man on second. Completely turning down. What kind of odds can you get now? Cubs, they're not going to give you anything. I doubt it. Oh, and Tampa Bay could be set up for a grand slam. I'm going on record right here. Arizona's still on there. What about Cubs? They have one man on. Cubs are at home. Ah, they took away the bet. So they're score just now. They take away when they have a man on base, no outs. You can only pick one run or 3+ runs. That's lame. So look, at guys, it was this. I'm gonna take these off because that's too deep for wave 4. So this is a top. So now we're gonna do that. And let me show you the Elliott wave. So I was showing this last time, but Elliott wave. Let's see here. This is a good one. See this? Right here. See this? See this pattern here? It's been around for 100 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A. And down in this little thing, we could have had the ABC already, and it's going to turn right back up. So, or it's going to bounce and then come down a little more and then go. In either case, I think the Yankees are going to wind up winning this game. That's what it looks like to me. But there goes the Cubs. The Cubs are on the board. We got more games starting now. Forget these two teams. I could care less. Oh, we got this tightening up. Interesting. Washington 9-1-2. I definitely have to bet on Washington. No outs. I was waiting for that setup, right? We drew the lines. Um, I mean, look at here's that situation again where the RSI is ridiculous. MACD. Does this still have no positive divergence? So no positive divergences, but we have the 9-1-2 coming up. The pattern played out how I wanted it to. So I drew this a while ago, right? So we're in a wedge. Let's see if Washington break out, or it's just going to start to flatline again. This is rain delay, nothing here. Oh, Mets, here we go. Mets got someone on base, I bet. Where's the Mets? Right here, man on first, one out. Oh, no outs, man on first. Told you, Mets breaking down. The Mets are breaking the wedge. Let's see if they can really follow through and tie this game up. The chart says it should happen this inning. But what do they got going on right now, Mets? No outs. No outs, man on first. 2-2. And Pittsburgh, I told you, rain delay. Tampa Bay, they didn't score, right? No. Damn, Tampa Bay, what is up? They used to play so good, you could rely on them. They still got very high rankings. All right, Arizona, oh, tightening up. Oh, Arizona, I gotta take them. Oh, no, I still have them. Oh yeah, they're on the rain delay. Okay, Arizona looks really good. 2 outs already for the net Washington. All right, and then the Mets. Mets have a man on second and third. I got plus 135 for that one. Arizona looks good. Arizona looks picture perfect. If you guys want to see, is it the wedge, maxed oversold, positive divergences. There goes the Mets. There was that wedge breakdown. See that? I like to draw the charts first for you guys so then you could see that this analysis works. All right? I'm trying to, teach and do all, so it's hard for me to make some bets, but Washington failed again. But this is still okay. So maybe what we needed was a positive divergence. Oh, look at a MACD. Yeah. So we got this. You see? It's curling up. Washington has 9-1-2 up. This is going to come deeper into the wedge. Probably see this little divergence show up. Oh, Washington's on the radar. Not giving up on them. Mets still haven't scored yet. This one's on rain delay, I guess. They're just not telling us. Sox. This looks like Tampa Bay is going to score. I'm taking Tampa Bay again. Then that's it. Taking Tampa Bay one more time. Two outs. Tampa Bay plus 230. Okay. All right, I'll be back in a second here. Oh, we don't need that. Ah, we're doing the flatlining thing. Not good. Tampa Bay lost their chance. Come on, they got to do something right now. They had this nice wedge, and now it's starting to do the flatline thing. Not good. Not good. They got to do something like first batter's got to do something. Tampa Bay used to be one of my favorite teams to bet on. Lately, not so much on the hitting. Where's Tampa Bay? All right, let's go through this one more time. We got a nice setup here for. Oh, did Washington get the? Oh no, didn't get the positive divergence yet. Let's see what Atlanta does. Mets have bases loaded, rain delay. Tampa Bay's got to do something this inning, or it's lights out. Arizona rain delay. So there was the Cubs run. See, that's deep enough. This actually looks like it should turn back up towards the Yankees. Who do the Yankees have up to bat? 2, 3, 4. Where's the Yankees? Oh, the Cubs are up again. Okay, they couldn't do anything. Let's see what happens there. Forget that. Forget that. Tampa Bay. Mets. All right. And Washington looks like it could do something. 3, 4, 5. They get out of this inning, the game signal, what it's going to do is it's going to it's going to just creep down because we're getting later in the game, so the probability is moving more and more towards Atlanta. So we want to see Washington get out of this inning in a 1-2-3 situation. And then I think there's a setup there for Washington. So, not looking good. Man on first. No outs. They got to get a double play. There it goes. See, it's creeping further into the wedge. What's going on with this Mets? They're not scoring? Give me a break. One out. Bases loaded. Tampa Bay. What are they up to? 2-2, no outs. Oh, turning down towards the Cubs again. But what this could be is where is the Cubs game? No outs, man on first. Let's see how this one develops. This is interesting here. So I don't know if this was A and B, if it holds there, or is it going to just roll over and then we get the C up? I need to watch that one a little more. Yep, Tampa Bay's got an out already. You can tell just by the chart what's going on. No outs. Doesn't look like Washington's going to do it with Atlanta. One out already here, Tampa Bay. Oh, see, it's turning up. The Cubs get a over here. Cubs got a double play. A one out man on first. Okay. So if this was perfect Elliott wave here, let me show you what it would be. It would be this was the B wave. Let's do it. And then I'll show you the graphic and then I'm going to log off. But let's see here. So we got this is the blue. Let's get these off. We held the 62% retrace on this. Let me make these blue. So there's our 5 up. There's our little A, little, if I zoom in, see, that was A, B, C for B. Now let's look at Elliott wave. See? A, there's a little B, there's the C. The next move is 5 more up. So we can put labels here. This would be 1, put in green, 2, and then the Yankees have a big inning. Okay? So let's see. No outs though. Oh no, 1 out. No, 1 out or no outs? No outs, man on set. Oh, that's interesting. Yep, Tampa Bay, complete fail. Man on first, 1 out. The Mets didn't score? Oh, jeez. They suck. The Mets didn't score, bases loaded? Oh my god, dude. That is sad. So look, we got the result because yeah, when you have bases loaded with no outs, I think it was at one point, was it? Yeah, look at this. You got the move down, and then they couldn't. But hey, that's when anything can happen. This is how it works. Oh, this looks really good now. Even with those runs that Atlanta just scored. Yep, positive divergence. Oh, Nationals are up again. This looks really good. Let's see Washington score. What else? Mets complete fail. Look at that, because they suck. That's why. That's why you don't bet on suck teams. Look at 26th and 29th. They are at the bottom of the barrel. So it just proves. Look at when they had the opportunity. The signal worked. Technical analysis worked on this game. This was them having bases loaded with no outs, and then they can't do it. So that's why you always want to stick with those stronger teams. I think this is starting up again. Tampa Bay, I don't know. They need to score something here. Cubs. Oh, this is moving up. What are the Cubs doing here? Oh, good. The Yankees are up 2, 3, 4. I'm going with the Yankees too. And then that's it. And then let's see how these next ones work out. Arizona, it looks like we won't find out. Oh, where is it? All right. So, again, and then the only other thing this could be was this is bullish, five up. There's the B wave, 1, 2, and we go up. Or it could be, and it drops. So this is a tough one because, yeah, you'll say out there, oh, it could go either way. Yep, it could go either way. That is absolutely true. Um, we'll have to just wait and see. Arizona, we can't do anything about. Tampa Bay, they didn't score probably, or what did they do? Tampa Bay, 1 out. 0-2. Who's up? Top of the order. All right, Tampa Bay. I mean, you guys are ranked where you are. I mean, are you gonna go out like that? All right. Yankees, Nationals, Tampa Bay, Arizona. All right. We'll see how these go. Which one is the closest? Yankees, Washington, Tampa Bay. They have their chance right now. 2 outs. Ah, man. I mean, come on, dudes. You got the setup. Yeah. Yankees. All right, folks, that's it. Maybe I'll go on later tonight. Um, Yankees have 2 outs already, so looks like it's going to go back towards. Um, it looks like it's going to be the red count. So looks like Cubs could make a big comeback. That's what this looks like now. If the Yankees can't do anything, they have 2 outs. Washington. Oh, and Tampa Bay failed, right? Yeah, terrible. Yeah. Yep, Cubs are up. Who do the Cubs have? One, two, three. All right, I'll be on this week. Hopefully, we got some people watching. I don't think so, but we'll keep doing it, and hopefully, you guys are getting something out of this.